Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to create border flooring tiles using custom tile. Okay, so you guys can go to customize, then go inside tiling function. Okay, now you can double click on the floor. Okay, so this is your floor shape, right? So next we're gonna divide it into two sections. Okay, you can draw straight line. Okay, select straight line and draw a line here. Make sure the line is straight, then right click to cancel. Okay, so if you select the shape, it will become two sections like this, 1 and 2. Okay, so now you can create border to the first shape here. So up here you have 1, 2, 3 layers. So let's say I choose 2 layers, right? Then drag it all the way down here. Alright, then right click to cancel. Okay, this one you can delete. Okay, select the shape and delete it, or you can drag it inside. Then this one you can select the edge and just follow the floor plan shape. Okay, right. So here this is a 2-layer border. Okay, you can zoom in and drag tiles inside. You can go to tile library, select any tiles you like. Okay, let's say I select this one, then just drag to the first layer. Alright, then you can right click. Okay, right click, you will see fill button. Okay, or shortcut key is F button. You can press F button, that it will fill out the whole layer. Then for the second layer, you can select another tiles. Okay, and drag it inside. Right click, fill, or you can press F button. Okay, so for the inside part, okay, so for the middle part here, you can go to plan library. Okay, plan library, right? You can drag out any pattern you like. Okay, so this one I will choose this one. Then you can go back to tile library, choose any tiles, then drag it inside here. Okay, right? Then for the second section here, you can select the pattern first, go back to plan library, then select any pattern. Okay, to change the tile, go back to tile library and select any tiles. Then drag it inside here. Okay, so that's how you create two different materials and create a border flooring tiles using custom tiling. Okay, so you guys can try out. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.